Alright, so today we're going to be talking about global and local variables. So this is something that all programmers should know, how global variables work, how local variables work, stuff like that. So follow me along. You don't have to type the code that I am, just understand what's happening. Just understand what's happening. So I'm going to create a variable, I'm going to call it total, and I'm going to set this equal to 10, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new function, def multiply. Okay, takes in two numbers, caps lock, num1, num2, and all I'm going to say here is I want to set total equal to num1 into num2, and then return total. Okay, a very simple multiplication. A multiplication function. And what I want to do now is two things. First of all, I'm going to call multiply on two numbers. Let's call it maybe 10 and 23, so 230 exactly. But now if I print out total, I still get 10. So let's quickly go over what just happened. We initialized a global variable, total, which is equal to 10. Since it's not in a function, it's not in any other statement, this is a global variable. However, the total we initialized in our multiply function is a local variable. So we cannot call this variable, this total variable, outside of our multiply function. If we call it outside, then it's going to give us an error. Don't believe me? Let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm going to change total to 2else and return total. And if I call the multiply function again, get 230, and if I print out total, I get an error. Name total is not defined. The reason for this is because our initialization of the variable total is, well, it's local. It's only in the multiply function. So this is the whole concept of global and local variables. The local variables exist in functions. They only exist at that level. You can call total as many times as you want in a multiply function, but as soon as you try calling it outside of there, it gives us an error that it's not defined. However, if you define the variable outside of your function, you can call it wherever you want, whenever you want. So this is a simple concept of global and local variables that I just wanted to get down. Now in the next lecture, what we'll talk about is some built-in functions that we can use in Python. See you then.